crossing every finger I have that I'm not gonna bump into a rattlesnake, because that scares me. That's not cool.
Did you throw out my one other tank top that I have?
No.
I don't believe you.
No, I didn't.
Did you throw out my other tank top? Everybody that cannot see, she is smiling. And she knows that
No, I didn't throw it out.
Yes, you did. Where did you? What happened to it then?
I think it's in the dirty laundry. Yes.
No, it's not in dirty laundry, because I would have found it in the dirty laundry and washed it last week when I did.
It is in the dirty laundry. How much you wanna bet?
I don't know. What do you want to bet?
$10.
$10?
Go ahead. Go look for it. I wanted to throw it away so bad, but I didn't.
Hello.
Yeah! We're going on a hike.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, we really wanted to do this, but we haven't had that much time during this summer.
No, it's been really busy, surprisingly.
Yeah. You have this app.
It's called All Trails. It's actually really cool. So wherever you are, you can get a GPS of any different trail within a certain mile radius.
Yeah, that's great, and it has a lot of comments of everybody that has done that. Like, they tell you what to look for, or you know, what to expect if they bump into any kind of situation or problem. So it's
and they have really
good.
Cool pictures. You can see pretty much the whole trail.
Yeah,
awesome.
That's nice. And we wanted to look for something that will have water, because right now over here in New York is hot as hell.
So we're going up to Lake Minnewaska. So if you want to go, it's up in New Paltz. It's one of the best trails in the lower Hudson Valley that isn't in the mountains. It's beautiful.
Adam knows a lot about hiking. Now, I'm used to hike over there. In Spain, there's no risk. Like, my father always took me on hikes and walks, and because we live up there in the mountain, but also my dad is a geologist, so obviously it was literally every weekend. I honestly was never scared over there because there's really no danger. Now over here, the first time that I went on a hike with Adam, I was like, what are all those sounds? And Adam doesn't know better yet, but anyone that like knows how scared I get about literally every risk knows that shouldn't be telling me, oh, there's this like spider that is the most poisonous spider in the world, or oh, there's rattlesnakes, son las serpientes de cascabel, estas que oyes así. O sea, es que oír eso te acojona vivo.
I do know that I shouldn't say it, but I do say it because two reasons. One, I think it's funny, and two, she should know. Also, I know. So the thing is, because I know the stuff that's around here, then I can tell her, like, don't go here, don't go there, don't do this, and it's pretty good. Just this morning, she learned that there are ticks up here. Like those little tiny bugs.
Creo que son como pulgas o algo así, las que, it's the ones that like dogs get, right?
Yeah, yeah,
como
but not dog ticks. We have dog ticks, but we also have ticks. There's just like, so there's different ones. And these ticks
the joys
can
of
possibly give you Lyme disease, which you don't want. And I've had it, and it's not fun.
He just told me this morning when we were scrolling through the hikes, and I was like,
for my defense, you asked.
Well, yeah, because I saw a comment on that app of somebody saying, I just got a tick, and I was like, what is a tick? And I was like, oh, it's this thing that they just get under your skin and they suck your blood and they can give you Lyme disease. But it's not a big deal. I was like, okay. You might think this is stupid, but when you come from a completely different climate, it's like, what?
No, it makes sense. It's understandable. But that's why I inform you.
And I am crossing every finger I have that I'm not gonna bump into a rattlesnake, because that scares me. That's not cool.
Well, you won't, because I will know where to go not to find a rattlesnake. And if you get close enough, you hear the
close enough. I don't want to get close enough. No.
Close enough is like 5 feet away, and you just like, oh, you get back and you go way around.
Not fun. Anyway, we'll We'll be sharing. Well, you guys will see. Okay.
Hike.
Come with us.
Hike. Getting sandwiches and snacks. Snack sandwiches over there. New Paltz.
Yeah.
So this is New Paltz. There's a state university here, so it's a really big college town. And it's just really nice. We'll go through Main Street and then we'll go get on our hike. We're gonna go get a little hat or something else.
And farmers market today in New Paltz. Wow, look at that. Okay, how stupid do I look?
You don't look stupid at all. I hate you. You look fine, and it actually looks good on you, and
You don't
like
look
a big,
bad.
dumb idiot.
No. So guys, this is what we bring with us in our backpacks. Essentially, it's food, some coconut water, just in case. Cliff Bar. I cannot have peanuts or any kind of nuts, so this one works for me. I don't have sauce pistachios. We have a change of clothes because we sweat a lot.
I'm a sweaty monster.
Yeah, little towels because there is a waterfall here. Swimsuits, Adam's classic towel, some water over there.
A lot of water.
Everything of the camera, lenses, all that stuff. Sunglasses, paper map, always a good idea because you never know. You don't want to rely on your phones. Pepper spray, we just carry it around, so you know.
So it's a good idea to have that, you know?
In this fish that I usually just carry with me,
Little fishy.
Yeah, fishy. We just have basic stuff like band-aids, pain relief,
Antibiotic
ointment, tiger balm for Adam's knees, more band-aids and stuff, tissues, Benadryl for allergies, sunscreen, an antiseptic. This, si sois de españoles, pues sabéis lo que es. Esto es ultralevura.
I don't know what that is, but it's okay.
If things get bad in your stomach, that helps. A little knife.
Well, more importantly, it's a little knife, and there's a Leatherman right next to it.
Yeah.
So, in case you seriously need to do any kind of crazy thing, you got a lot of tools in there.
There's the Adam's deodorant.
Which could be yours too.
No, yeah, deodorant. And this is thick and insect repellent.
Which is very good up here because there's a lot of bugs and a lot of ticks.
We have an extra battery just in case. The inhaler, this is for Adam.
I have allergy or sport-induced asthma. EpiPen. If you need an EpiPen, take your EpiPen. Don't screw around with that. Walking the trail. And here we are. Hey, we're here. Well,
Yeah.
getting on there.
Yeah.
It's hot today.
It's hot today.
But good.
Yeah,
It feels really
it's
nice.
really worth it. And it's so nice because there's so much water, seriously.
Look,
Really.
like here's just some of it, you know? This isn't even the whole waterfall, but like, it's so awesome. I've never been up here on this trail before, but hot damn is it cool. Yeah. Most likely a bear.
Okay.
Yeah, a bear. Look at this. This is absolutely gorgeous.
perfect.
It is perfect. I mean, you just want to sit here and soak it in,
Yeah.
right? Very cool.
If you ever get the chance, come here. It's amazing.
We're leaving. We made it.
We didn't die.
We walked. What was it?
Around 12 miles, I would say.
Yeah. How genial, la verdad. Muy buena. La última parte, like the last part was just like
Last part was just
more
nothing.
boring.
Yeah. Last part, all it was a gravel trail.
Yeah. But some cold water now.
It's gonna be the